2 points by number 17. Nahuli. Pinasa ka number 27. Libreng-libre. 2 points. Number 27 ang dapat ulit. Sergio. Pinasa number 17. 2 points. Time St. Francis. Nahuli. Number 17. Pinapis kay number 9. 2 points by number 9. Pass number 27. Number 27. 2 points by number 17. 5 minutes left. 77 to number 17. 2 points. Nakakuha pa yun. Number 1. Matakay. No good. Iba number 0. 2 points. Two points by number 2. Number 16, take a 3. 3 points to number 16. Oras natin 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 2 points by number 17. Pasa pala yun. Iba number 14. 2 points by number 9. Number 2, pass to number 77. 2 points by number 17. Pass to number 0. Number 16. 2 points. For the 5 seconds. Number 0. 2 points. 30 seconds. Basket. Number 6, Kawali. Pass number 27. 2 points. Number 16. Number 25. Kaya nyo. 2 points. Two points by number 8. Huli number 14. Three points by number 7. Two points by number 17. Foul basket. Oras natin 6 minutes exactly. Basket. Lipat number 14. Number 6. 2 points by number 17. Ang bilis nun. Two points by number 25. Atake.
Sabay niliparan.
2 points.
Miscommunication. Wow!
Foul basket. Push pa rin. Basket. Number 17.
Oh!
Binali pa rin.
Up and down?
Number 14 na Ramos. Baba ng bola. Dire-diretso. Atake. 2 points.
One versus everyone?
2 points by number 7.
Gagawin ng oras. Hero.
8 to shoot.
Hero. 3. Bang!
3 points by number 8. Number 7. Number 35. 2 points.
2 points.
Two points by number 25 ulit. 3 points. 1 minute exactly.
May discard eh.
Number 14, tumatake na.
Lalabipad.
2 points by number 14.
Kalabaw lang ang tumatanda.
15 seconds.
Sige. Magawa silang blade.
10 seconds.
Good yan, good. Ah!
3 points by number 6.
Sabi. Third quarter. And score guys. Lipad na. Uy, pasa pa rin.
2 points by number 9. Two points by number 27. 15 to shoot. Number 9. 2 points. 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Coach, umiinom coach oh. Sel! Yari ka.
Pass to number 77. Alvarez.
Long bang.
3
Papa.
points.
Long bang ulit. Grabe naman yun.
3 points by number 77.
Isa pa tabar. Wala na. Ito po. Pangatlo. Papa.
3 points ulit para kay number 7.